Remove the hose from the filter housing and facepiece. The facepiece components, inhale ports, and exhale ports can also be disassembled if desired, but not necessary. Spray or wipe the surface of the facepiece with a disinfectant. A pre-soaked alcohol-free towelette may be used to wipe the surfaces. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for use of the specific disinfectant, especially the recommended contact time for disinfecting. When cleaning the interior surface, be extra careful of the voice port. If you are wearing the Clara to treat patients, this should be done between patients or done immediately if visibly soiled during patient treatment. Wipe the outer surfaces of the filter housing and hose with a disinfectant as used for the face piece. If more extensive cleaning of the filter housing is desired, the filter should be carefully removed before cleaning to prevent any damage to the filter. Always keep the filter dry. Do not attempt to clean or disinfect the filter. After the filter has been safely removed, the filter housing can be sprayed with a disinfectant and wiped clean. These surfaces can also be cleaned with a soft cloth dampened with mild soapy water. Make sure that the filter housing is completely dry before reinstalling the filter. If removed, do not reinstall the filter until the filter housing is completely dry, and do not use a heater. You can rinse all parts in clean, warm water to remove any cleaning or antiseptic agent residue. Periodically, deep clean the device by disassembling the facepiece and removing the inhalation and exhalation ports and strap connectors. At the end of each shift, or if you are not in a medical facility and do not have a disinfectant to clean Clara, you can immerse the facepiece and the headgear in a warm water and gently wash with a wipe or sponge. A neutral detergent that does not contain lanolin or oils should be used. Rinse and position the face mask down in a clean environment to dry. The voice port has drainage openings to assist with removing water. Allow the unit to air dry in a non-contaminated atmosphere before reassembling.